Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use reveal sticker on Instagram story. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app, then tap plus sign from bottom menu, tap story, then take a picture or add photo from camera roll. Tap sticker icon from top menu, then select reveal. This story will be blurred. People can see it after they have messaged you. Once you select the reveal sticker, you will be prompted to type a hint for your friends about they might be find behind your blurred story. You can tap the preview icon in the bottom left hand corner to see how your story will be appear to your friends. Once you have posted your story, your friends will only be able to see your story content if they DM you. So these are the steps to use reveal sticker on Instagram stories. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.